Okay, Maggie Guitar is back with another episode of living. Okay, so for this video, guys, I'm going to show you two riffs you're going to apply whenever you're in the worship section. That's going to sound well and sound better in your solo, in your improvisation. Okay, I know many of you have been asking me to do video more. Many of you have been asking me to do more video on riffs and licks over worship songs. So I took it upon myself that I'm going to try as much as possible to make a lot of licks for you guys, okay? And very soon I'm going to get a backing track which I'm going to be playing over those backing tracks for you guys to be able to flow along with me and understand me very well, okay? But at first I need to shout out a very big thanks to my new subscribers and my old subscribers, okay? Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Thanks for always tuning to this channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your like. I'm really appreciating, okay? If you know that this is the first time you're watching me on this channel, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, guys. If you like the video, you can smash the like button. If you have any challenges, you can hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, but if you want to join my personal WhatsApp class, okay, you want to enroll my WhatsApp class, you can chat me on the number on the screen there. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Okay guys, so for today, like I said, I'm going to show you two riffs you're going to apply when you over your worship song, worship section. That's going to sound like, okay? Okay, they're going to sound better. So without wasting much of the time, let's move straight into the video. So okay, I'm going to do the lesson in the key of C. So now you can apply these legs in any of the keys on the guitar fretboard. When you're on the worship section, you can apply that in any of the keys you're playing on. Now why I'm using the key of C? I'm using the key of C because many of you are familiar with the key of C, so that you can be able to understand the process and the licks. Okay, so this is the key of C. For most of you that are not familiar with the key of C. Okay, so the number one licks that I'm going to show you something like this. Okay, so that is the first lick I'm going to show you. The first lick I'm going to show you. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, so that is the first lick. So what I'm playing there is start from this shape. This is your do, re, mi in the key of C. Do, re, mi, mi. So I play from the re, mi. Okay, re, mi, re, do. Okay, re, mi, re, do, la, do, ti. Okay. But I make some pull on and some slot, okay, to make it sound good, make it sound better. I made some hammer on there. I hammer on it from the re to the mi. Then I pull on from the mi to the re. Mi, re, do, okay. La, do, ti, okay. La, do, ti, so, re, do, ti, so. So, re, do, ti, so. Okay. Okay. Then I play so, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, do. So, la, do, so, la. On this shape now I play so, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, mi, sol, mi, do. Then I slide to the mi again. Do. Okay. So, la, do, re, mi, fa, that's going to sound better. Okay, it's going to sound better. So when you keep practicing that, see your finger getting used to it. Okay, so the number 2 licks I'm going to show you is okay, so what I'm playing there is so I'm playing on this shape now. You have your okay, so I'm playing on this shape now. So I'm playing so I hammer on from the T and the Do, okay? Okay. Okay. Then I pull on from the T La Sol, okay? T La Sol. Okay. Then I come to this third string and play Re Fa Re Mo Mi, Re Fa Re Mo Mi, Re Fa Re Mo Mi. Then I pull on from the Mi Re Do, Mi Re Mo Re Do, okay? Okay. Re Mo Re Do, okay? All those stuff gonna sound better over your worship song. All those stuff gonna sound better when you're improvising. Okay, those riffs gonna sound better. Okay, so if you're playing something like songs like you are the reason I live. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. You are the reason I live. You are the one for me. You are the one for me. Where should I feel when I you surrounded by your love, everlasting love? Why should I feel what you say? They don't know what you mean to me. They don't know what you mean to me. Okay, stuff like that. You can, when you improvise, when the keyboardist or the singer is on the, you can play something. You are the reason I live. Go into your soft chord, okay? You are the one for me. Now you can now come to the second riff that I'm playing. Okay? So it's just a kind of riffs you're going to be feeling over the worship songs and going to make sounds better and sounds cool, okay? It's just for you to have your timing, okay? Just for you to have your timing accuracy. Okay, guys, so I believe this video is going to enhance your playing skill. I'd like you to hit on the comment section if you have any challenges in the video. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Alright, guys, so thanks for watching and see you in the next video.